Number 1. Where did you go last weekend? Number 2. Where is the Japanese embassy? Number 3. Where would you suggest we go? Number 4. Where is the nearest drugstore? Number 5. Where's the rest of our class? Number 6. Why aren't you coming with us? Number 7. Why should we need more money? Number 8. Will you please let me go now? Number 9. Would you like to come inside? Number 10. Would you mind standing aside? Number 11. You can say whatever you want. Number 12. You can't finish this project. Number 13. You depend too much on others. Number 14. You might not want to do that. Number 15. You must keep your room clean. Number 16. You probably want to be alone. Number 17. You really don't want to know. Number 18. You remind me of your brother. Number 19. You should get your car fixed. Number 20. You should have worked harder. Number 21. You should have watched that movie. Number 22. You want a divorce, don't you? Number 23. You won't finish this project. Number 24. You had better not eat too much. Number 25. Your answer differs from mine. Number 26. A fire broke out near my house. Number 27. Are you a teacher or a student? Number 28. Are you asking me to marry you? Number 29. Are you sure you are feeling okay?